Welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the revolutionary 7-in-1 pet grooming kit with low-noise vacuum, hair dryer, and blow dryer for dogs and cats, designed to make grooming your furry friends at home a breeze. This all-in-one grooming solution not only saves you time and money on professional services but also ensures your pets always look their best with its convenient dog hair trimmer and pet grooming features. The Petcove Grooming Kit offers a complete grooming experience, from trimming to brushing to drying, all seamlessly integrated into one package. Say goodbye to shedding and messy fur with the innovative dog shaver and dog brush vacuum, keeping your home clean and your pets comfortable. With a lifetime warranty, certified safety, and a commitment to turning customers into family, Petcove is your trusted choice for pet grooming. Experience the Petcove difference and keep your pets looking neat and tidy effortlessly. Join our community and make grooming a stress-free, enjoyable experience for both you and your pets. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.